Welcome to Manjula Devi Murugesan Software Training Center. Okay, in the last video we have seen how to do the ducting in automatic and manual method. Today I am going to explain how to connect duct from damper to AHU, that is air terminal, from air terminal to AHU. Okay, so AHU is located at level 4, that is height. This is 36 feet, that means plus or 5 feet we will add. Okay, this is supply. Okay, so then first I will do one thing, just I will bring the duct towards top floor. Okay, before that just we will check which side is duct inlet. Okay, both side we are having outlet duct, so no problem, just we can have like this. Okay, but just I will place my air terminal here. Is it suitable place? We cannot decide that. Structural engineer will tell you where to place, because that load bearing capacity, everything, only structural engineer only will be knowing. So we need to tell how much weight is this AHU, so what will be the load, everything. Then based on that, the structural engineer will tell you. So we keep your AHU at this location. Okay, so but just I am keeping for our education purpose, just I am giving tutorial purpose, just placing here. So I will go for system duct, so select, so it is in 11 feet. Okay, no problem, just select here, bring it like this, so to here, and from here I need to rise. Okay, from 11 feet to 39 feet. So how to do? Just see, just go here in the offset. This is now it's in 11 feet. Now you want to 39 feet. 11 feet is starting offset, ending offset is 39. Just click 39, enter, apply. So we will see it in the 3D view. See, it's raised. Okay, regarding this riser I will explain once again later. So now I go for this here. So just I am going to align this. Okay, just I will move this. Let it be. Now I am going to take that. So here this is supply duct, but the height is at 5.5, 1 feet, 5.5 inch. Okay, so if I do connect like this, now what will happen? See, let us see. It's connecting like here, because my offset is at 9 feet. Instead, I don't know what height it is. So what I am going to do now, just where is it? It's here. Just here one concept is there, inherit elevation. Select inherit elevation and draw it. Okay, it's not taken properly. Just to go for this. Once again try, sometimes it will not take properly. Inherit elevation. No, it's not taking. Okay. If we click inherit elevation, what will happen now? It will take the height of the elevation of outlet. Or this go this way also doing same problem. Okay, just I will do one thing. Just I will take as a 5 duct, 1 feet, 5.5 inch. Okay, Now I'm going to align. Okay, just for connection purpose, just I'm going to align it. Okay, now I go for 3D view. Okay, now what I am going to do now, I want to connect this to this. Simply select these two in modify, trim extend. First select this and select this. See, easily it's get connected. Just select this extra portion, delete it. Now select that elbow and click, sorry, T connection, click minus symbol. Now it's come as a elbow. Okay, like that we can connect. Right, now actually I have done the connection in ground floor. I want to connect the same thing in first floor also. How to do this? Just what I am going to do now, just if this thing should be done before doing duct sizing. Okay, if the in first floor also same value, that is cooling load record is same thing, means we can use the same system. Just select the entire thing, go for filter, check none, select air terminal, duct fitting, duct mechanical equipment, click OK, control and press and select this also, go for clipboard, that is in modify, clipboard, copy to clipboard, select paste, align to selected level, which level you want, that is just I want for level 2. Okay, level 2 and see this one, click OK. Now just to go for this neck, already connected, already copied to this. Okay, so you can see it in 3D view also. Okay, now what I am going to do now, just I am going to select duct, connect. Okay, I don't know whether it's connected properly. Let us check in 3D view. No, it's not connected properly. Okay, I'll do undo. Okay, because what happened now, duct selected is at 11 feet. What we need is 9 feet. What we need is 11 feet. So select this and connect this. Let us check in 3D view. Yes, properly connected. So like this you can connect. So this is 11 feet. So likewise you can connect multi floors. Okay, thank you.